Welcome everyone to an unboxing of the Sony ULT WEAR headphones, brand new from Sony. And this is their revised branding for their extra bass lineup. So previously they're always known as the extra bass lineup, but now they're the ULT, and there you have some representation of powerful bass listed on the back. So this is a bit departure from the XB lineup, so it's a bit maybe of a confusing thing for those of you who dedicate to that lineup, but this is basically a replacement for that. So I'm a huge bass enthusiast, so I'm really looking forward to see what Sony has done here. They've kind of overhauled the design of the bass lineup here and made it look more kind of like the premium XM5 headphones that I have reviewed. I'll put a link to that in the video description, which is kind of like Sony's de facto premium headphones. That is arguably one of the most popular noise cancelling headphones in the entire world, the XM lineup. So yeah, see what it does in comparison. And these aren't cheap. They're mid-tier priced headphones. Here in Canada, they're priced at $350, which some would argue more on the higher end, but yeah, our dollar is kind of sucks. That's on the mid-tier pricing. So looking at the documentation really quick, nothing there. It's just like some demo stuff you can sign up for, as well as some safety and warranty information. And there you have the headphones themselves. So they look like the XM5s, and here's they feel incredibly flimsy. Like I just mentioned that they're $350 before tax. After tax, almost like 380 bucks. And they feel really like rubbish. Like they'll just fall apart after several drops, so a little weird. You can also see the kind of the mesh interior. You can see through them to see where the speakers are. I don't think I've ever seen that before. So did Sony cheap out on the material? A little concerned, but we'll find out in the review. So the auxiliary cable is included, as well as a USB to USB-C cable. Womp, womp, womp. Not pure USB-C, unfortunately. But hey, there's a hard traveling case, so that's nice to have. So I'll be doing a very thorough testing of the battery, audio performance, the bass, of course. And you can find a link to the review of the ULT WEAR headphones also in the video description. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and thanks for watching.